Pronounced, defined, used in lexical dispatch. Appose, verb. To put opposite or side by side. Apply, request, juxtapose. Redaction, noun, redactional. The process of removing words or information from a text before it is printed. Editing, re-editing, revision. A work that has been redacted. My father poured himself a cup of tea and sat opposed to my mother on the sofa. Oppose means object to, act against, or place opposite, while appose means place side by side or juxtapose. During partial esophagectomy, appose the ends with 2 layers of sutures in a 4-step procedure. The American struggles against the obstacles that nature opposes to him. The adversaries of the Russian are men. These cells remain opposed to neurons and regulate the extracellular fluid. Before beginning of vitellogenesis in the neurons, the membranes of granulosa cells are opposed to the oocyte membrane without an interface. In the lizards, all the cyst wall layers were closely opposed. Satellite cells are quiescent myoblast cells with stem cell properties that lie closely opposed to muscle fibers. The later redaction includes a transitional statement, however, suggesting that what follows is a tale in its own right. The other part of my day usually consists of making sure the redaction software is working correctly. Philology, exegesis, historical and redactional criticism, hermeneutics, sociology, psychology, linguistics, cultural anthropology, biology, and even physics have become integral to theology's functioning. Maybe this is some part of this redaction that they don't want this story getting out until they've had a chance to get out and see as many of these other possible witnesses as they can. It says missing and is followed by a short redaction that is likely the name of a pathogen. Mail could be exchanged through a letter drop that the Marshal Service administered, but everything would be subject to inspection and redaction. The same methods used to examine other ancient texts work just fine on the Hebrew scriptures, textual criticism, redaction criticism, etc. I'm not sure if anything will replace the need for redaction criticism. The name was the only redaction, and was done so because the person being referred to is a young juvenile. Control of costs will speed the reduction of inflation, but we are already making progress. This time, WikiLeaks had worked with volunteers to devise a computer program to solve the redaction problems. The redaction of the Afghanistan files was a point of contention within WikiLeaks as well.